To replace your car radio, you must first turn your engine off. Get your hands on the needles that will let you remove the original radio. Insert them on both sides of the radio and the holes provided for this until they lock into place correctly. Pull on both of the needles at the same time to remove the radio. Remove the black power connector. And the yellow steering wheel control connector by pushing on the plastic tab, with a screwdriver if needed, and simultaneously pulling on each of them. Remove the antenna cable by pulling delicately on the metal part of the connector. Put the rack provided in place with the new radio, slipping wires inside beforehand. Once the rack has been properly placed into its compartment, lock it in place with a flathead screwdriver and pushing down all the metal tabs. Make sure to fold each tab so that the rack is perfectly fixed in place. The keyed connections will help ensure that you don't make a mistake when assembling the connectors. The yellow connector, corresponding to the steering wheel control, will only plug into a compatible receiver. Insert the antenna adapter into the original antenna cable. Then, connect everything to the radio. Slide the radio into position, but don't align it fully in place just yet. Turn on the ignition to check that the radio is working correctly before fully fixing it in place. Operation completed.